How to buy Binance Gift Card. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. And now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your phone or your desktop. Now over here, search for Buy Sell Voucher. Okay, here we go. Now tap on the first link on top. Now after tapping on it, you will come across this page. Now on the search bar, type for Binance Gift Card. Now choose the option with Binance Gift Card $100. Let's tap on it. Then just scroll down below and tap on Buy Now. Now after tapping on it, you'll come across this page. Then again, tap on Continue. Now over here, you have to select a method of payment. For instance, let's say in my case, I'm going to pay through Bitcoin. Just tap on any of the options given. Now after selecting the payment method, now over here enter your email address and below in the box, you have to enter the code which is exactly beside it. So let's enter it. It's 2965. Then after entering it, just tap on Buy. Now after this, you will have to make a payment through QR or any of the methods mentioned. So that's all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.